Assalamu alaikum. You are one of over 8 billion people alive on Earth. Let's zoom out. Our planet is just one of 8 planets in our solar system. In the galaxy, our neighborhood is just one of almost 4,000, and from what we know so far, there are billions of galaxies in the entire universe. That itself may also be growing. It is highly unlikely that we are the only living creature in the universe. Surely, that there must be some other habitable planet. Here is where the Fermi paradox comes in. The idea got its name from a man named Enrico Fermi. Back in the 50th century, he pointed out that if other life forms were out there and had the touch to travel through space, they should be visited us by now. These days, we have better telescopes that allow scientists to discover over 5,000 planets outside our solar system. Yes, still no sign of life. Throughout the years, there have been many suggested solutions to the Fermi paradox. These outer world beings may be just too far away for a friend chat. We have seen it in movies, spaceships traveling between stars as easy as cars on highway. But in reality, making our way through space is slow. Even our fastest rocket would take thousands of years to reach a nearby star. When you add in the huge of cosmos, it is like trying to find a living needle in the biggest cosmic hysteric available. We could just as easily be the first civilization to emerge in the universe. It is lonely though, and it also put a load of pressure on us. If we are the only comes, we need to preserve life on our planet, not just for sake, but also because if we fade away, all life fades away with us. The universe has been around for billions of years, but intelligent life like ours has only existed for a teeny fraction of that time. Maybe we are just early bloomers waiting for someone else to catch up. To support this theory, a study was done in 2015 using the Hubble Space Telescope, and this is what it showed. Out of all worlds that could sustain life, only 8% are so old as Earth. The rest of them are too young and still have not reached that point in their evolution or for their life to shine. There could also be possibility that our galactic relativities are watching us from afar. A scientist from another planet may be studying us as primitive life form right now. He may not want to disturb us just yet. The same way we look at the ant in an ant farm during science class. On that same note, they are just not ready to interact with us because they have calculated a precise, perfect timing for a meet. So they are lying dormant in the herbaceous stage. And they might be right to do so. Why rush into things when we have got all of eternity ahead? There is also the idea that our planet and us humans just are not cool enough for others to play with, and would not be until we are evolved enough to be welcomed into galactic high class, or perhaps life in more fragile than we believe. A 2016 suggested that it is in early year of planet where life make its way. That is when the planet is cool enough for water to form. But those conditions may not last long thanks to greenhouse effect. So even if life has existed in the universe every now and then, It never evolved to a stage when it could have contacted us. And what if life's ultimate test comes much late? Several thinkers believe that civilization tend to destroy themselves at some point in their technological evolution. And this may be potentially future for us too. We are just not there yet. Maybe we shall come to build technology so smart and so powerful that it will overwhelm us, leading to our demise. Well, if you can see, who's to say it did not happen to other species in the past on other planets? We may truly be alone in the universe forever. Perhaps the conditions for life are so rare that Earth is only vast desert. It first appeared in 1980. According to it, the universe is a huge version of a haunted forest, and other type of creatures are out there playing a game of hide and seek. This theory is known as dark forest theory. History on Earth shows that less technologically advanced groups usually end up worse off when meeting more advanced ones. The huge difference in technology often leads to a situation where attacking first seems like the best option. If there is even a small chance that cosmic neighbors might harm us, destroying them first could be only hope. So, if the galaxy is full of advanced life, it is smart for us to stay quiet and avoid contact. Other civilizations would probably reach the same conclusion. Even peacefully, one might feel forced to attack to survive. That is why some scientists have the idea of sending messages out there and think searching for them might be pointless. But this idea is not new. A story from 40th century called First Contact describes humans meeting other type of civilization for the first time. The two groups become friends but cannot risk letting each other find their home planets. They had rather destroy each other than risk their safety. Another story, The Forage of God, talks about the danger of signal reaching hostile species. And if they are advanced enough, they shall know exactly where to find us. If there is any reason why we need to hide from them, it is already too late. We do need to continue our research for habitable planets for a more pressing reason. Our cozy Earth would not be here forever. When our star fades, all life within the solar system will be fade. It will become too hot for water to exist, and without water there is no life. At least no we know. 97% carbon dioxide present in our atmosphere. It is also very hot and has enough pressure to sustain the theoretical model. Thank you for the watching video.